Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. I just left a customer that had me to do a pre-purchase used car inspection. He was out of town. I was looking at a 2012 Mercedes E350. He was very intelligent by getting the diagnostic because I opened the hood and I found an antifreeze hose that was blowing antifreeze all over the engine. The dealer said they replaced the headlight. The headlight was cracked, so water was getting inside of it. I put it on my expensive diagnosing machine, and I was finding out that the heated headrest wasn't even working properly, which was very important to the customer. The drop top convertible wasn't working the way it should. You could just tell the car wasn't being taken care of. And I turned the engine on. The air conditioner was blowing mediocre cold air, and also the radio wasn't working properly. And the main important thing, the engine itself was tapping like there was no tomorrow. And I just saved this customer thousands of dollars of a huge financial headache. And that's why I stress the importance. I've done at least in the last 3 days 10 pre-purchase used car inspections, and half of them were overpriced, and I had to let the customer know the true value, and the other half was just neglected, or they had stopped leaking it, or the fuel trim was completely off, and they were hiding things like having the car warmed up. We couldn't see the car cold, but my machine could see everything, and it told me everything. This is the reason why you should have a pre-purchase used car inspection. In the description below, you literally will see all the information where you can get a pre-purchase used car inspection if you're in the 757 area. And if you're not in the 757 area, the Hampton Roads area, please look up somebody who does a thorough pre-purchase used car inspection. The persons that are selling it, I am not on their side, I'm on your side. I am going to go through the vehicle and I will tell you short term and long term, and I will have no emotions about it. It's just the vehicle is bad or it's good. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.